Hey everybody, so I got some new toys for Moochie and I thought I would do a fun unboxing video with the toys. This is my foster room for kittens. Usually I don't have an adult cat unless it is a medical foster. Moochie's not a medical foster though. He is just an outdoor stray cat who I didn't think deserved just to be TNR'd because he's not feral, as you can see. He's bored though, in the basement. So these are some things in the room that I have. That's more of the kitten size. The kittens loved that. My last litter, all my litter of kittens love that. That over there is a bed with a heating pad. That's also for kittens. Moochie, I have this. I think he's gone in there a couple of times. He likes the scratching post. He likes that tree, and he likes to sit in the window and look outside. He has not shown a lot of interest in this toy. Most kittens always love this toy. Him, not so much. Maybe he's gonna play with it a little bit. There you go, buddy. Oh. And then these are just little cat toys. Again, not a whole lot of interest in these little guys. So it's because he's an adult. So we gotta find something to get him. So I got this robotic flopping fish toy from Amazon, and I thought I would unbox it today. Whoop. Alright, so this is rechargeable, this toy, which I like that because I'm not a big fan of constantly having to use batteries for toys. So, okay. What you do with this guy is his switch is in his tummy, and you turn it on. Oh, there he goes. I saw some cats playing with this on the video. They had videos of it on Amazon. Moochie. Moochie. Hey, look. Okay, let's see. That's as long as it goes. Okay, and then I got a laser pointer to see if I can help him get exercise because he's bored. And Moochie's the kind of cat when he's bored, he just wants to eat all the time. Like his treats, he's always asking me for something. And I think it's because he's bored. So he needs to get some exercise. Moochie. Moochie. Oh, buddy. He wants to go outside, but I can't let him outside. Moochie, look. Okay. Hey, buddy. Look. Look. So I think he likes the laser pointer, and that will help me give him exercise opportunities for exercise. Ooh! Now, why the fish? I don't know why the fish stopped flopping. Look, Moochie, look. Maybe I can get him to come see the fish with the, with the laser pointer. He looks like he's not so sure about the fish. Buddy. Anyway, so I'm working on, trying to find ways for him to exercise, and also working on him going into the carrier on his own without me having to pick him up and put him in the carrier. So I'm still working on that. He's doing pretty good with that.